Hello everyone, good morning. This is Andrew from Extrusion Machinery. We are one professional extrusion machine manufacturers. Do you know how to making a PVC profile, PVC door, plastic products? Today, we are going to show you how is the machine working. Please follow me. This is PVC conical twin screw extruder. PVC material will get fully melting in extruder and extrusion to double cavity PVC profile mold. The profile will get vacuum and cooling in the sizer. The production speed is around 3 meters per minute. Double half machine will join the profile all the time. We can cut the profile in 4 meters, 5 meters, or any other size. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any interest on the machines, please inquire me on Alibaba. We will contact you as soon as possible.